Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most trusted and well-tested gear for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best ear protection earmuffs noise-canceling product you'll find in its price range. The 2-pack 34 decibels noise-canceling headphones for shooting by Floriogra. These earmuffs are built with a mission: to protect your hearing in the loudest environments while keeping comfort at the forefront. Whether you're at the shooting range, on a construction site, mowing your lawn, or dealing with loud machinery, these headphones are designed to keep you focused and safe. Let's start with what really matters: performance. With a certified SNR rating of 34 decibels, backed by ANSI S3.19 in the US and CEN 352-1 in Europe, these earmuffs are made to handle serious noise. That means you're not just muting the world around you. You're significantly reducing harmful levels of sound, bringing them down to a comfortable and safe range. For comparison, this level of protection is suitable for shooting ranges, factories, or even high-noise travel scenarios. And how is that noise reduction achieved? It's thanks to a smart combination of double-layer sound-dampening foam and a high-quality composite outer shell. Together, they absorb and deflect sound waves while creating a secure seal around your ears. And that's where comfort plays a big role. Let's talk about the fit. These headphones are universally adjustable. The headband includes retractable steel wires, so whether you've got a smaller head or a larger one, a few clicks will get you the perfect fit. Not only that, but the earmuffs feature 360-degree rotatable pins, a small detail that goes a long way in helping the ear cups contour perfectly to your head shape. Inside, the cups are lined with soft imitation leather and high-density sponge. This combo does more than just block sound, it cushions your ears for all-day wear. The leather forms a tight seal while remaining breathable, and the sponge offers a slow rebound fit that shapes itself to you. There's even a specially designed hole in the bottom to enhance that molding effect. The result? A customized, snug feel every single time. Now for the practicality. These earmuffs fold down compactly, making them easy to stash in your range bag, backpack, or toolbox. Whether you're on the move or just trying to keep your gear organized, this foldable design is a major win. They also come in a value 2-pack, which makes them great for couples, families, or keeping one in the garage and one in your shooting kit. And if you're wondering about build quality, they're made of durable ABS plastic and either made in the USA or imported with high manufacturing standards. Pretty much anyone dealing with loud environments, shooters, woodworkers, welders, landscapers, or frequent flyers, this is a serious hearing protection tool that doesn't break the bank. In summary, the 2-pack 34 decibels noise-canceling headphones from Floriogra are rugged, reliable, and ready for anything. With expert-level certifications, impressive comfort, and a design that fits nearly everyone, they easily earn the top spot on our list for best value ear protection. If you're serious about protecting your hearing, without sacrificing comfort or shelling out a ton of cash, these are the earmuffs to get. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. We'll see you next time with another product worth your attention. Stay safe, and stay sharp.